Alright, ready to start the video?
Alright, yeah.
Start it now.
Alright, boom, start it.
And my buddy, his
That's your apparel. Can't go to Walmart, so we gotta try to fix this glasses issue. Things getting rough out here.
Things are getting rough. They 50 something.
Yeah.
Broken glasses. The Walmart eye care. Alright.
staring at that shit.
I need some more heat. Hey, can I get some more heat?
Oh, get more heat? Yeah. What do you want that, bud?
Let's go to 30. Gotta keep the videos to at least a minute.
Oh, yeah. Quonsky.
Hey, how you doing?
Nothing good. No. Me too.
What is that, aluminum? Oh, it goes this less.
Right. Holy shit. Tell you what, they probably won't break again. Alright, that's a hot ass piece of glasses.
Oh shit, I think we got it.
Think you got it?
Let's check it out. That was delicious. Need a wrench.
Oh, yeah.
Hold on. Got my custom wrench I made the other day.
This motherfucker has.
Yeah, I milled it out the middle.
Whoa. I'm gonna hit him with a spray of black paint and I'll be back home.
Nope, we didn't get it.
Oh, it
Mike.
is,
Fire this guy.
Oh, you guys didn't line up the right spot.
Alright. I didn't do that one, Sully.